In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your Buffer login from losing access. Keeping a backup email on your Buffer account is one of the simplest ways to prevent lockouts if you lose access to your primary inbox, switch jobs, or have a password reset issue. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open Buffer and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon or in your account menu. From there, choose Profile. This is where Buffer stores your personal details and recovery options. Inside your profile, look for the Backup Email section. This is the dedicated place to add a secondary email address that Buffer can use for account recovery and important security notices. The best backup email is one you control long-term, separate from your primary login. Avoid temporary or shared addresses and pick something you can access on any device. If you're using a work address for your main login, consider a personal address here so you're covered if your role or company changes. Enter your backup email address carefully, double-checking for typos. A single wrong character can prevent verification. After you enter it, Buffer will send a verification email automatically to confirm you have access to that mailbox. Now, check your inbox for the verification message. Give it a moment to arrive, then refresh your inbox. If you don't see it, search for Buffer and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Also, make sure you're looking at the exact email account you just entered. Open the verification email from Buffer. Inside, you'll find a clear prompt to confirm your backup email address. Click the confirmation link provided in the message. Verification links can expire, so it's best to complete this step right away. If the link doesn't open on the first try, copy and paste it into your browser. Once you've confirmed, return to your Buffer profile to ensure the backup email shows as verified. This status indicates everything is set correctly and your account now has a reliable recovery path. That's it. By adding and confirming your backup email, your Buffer account now has an extra recovery and security email connected. This simple safeguard can save you time and stress if you ever lose access to your primary inbox. Keep this backup address up to date, and you'll be far less likely to get locked out in the future. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.